Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox or unwrap this. This one's a new and latest Apple MacBook Pro, the one with the M1 chip. By the way, this case is made by SUPCASE. I've been waiting for this, and they finally came out with it. So I purchased with my own money, but they give me a 15% off. Original price on this is $29.99. So I end up paying about 27 something with tax and everything, but free shipping. So anyway, let's go ahead and open this up and see how it fit on the new and latest MacBook Pro that I have here. You see the brand SUPCASE. You got that beetle right there. This one is a unicorn beetle. So it is dust proof, scratch resistant, shock resistant. And then dual layer design. It has accurate cutout. And this is the MacBook Pro 13-inch unicorn black, made in China. So it is factory sealed. Wow, look at that, pretty nice. Like a smoke on the polycarbonate. And you got the black finish on the outside. And this is a SUPCASE. So this one's ultra thin, but it's still very strong. And then on the bottom, you got like a ventilation hose. And then therefore this, it's like a hard feet. So let's go ahead and try it on. This is my new and latest MacBook Pro. I love it so much. It processed my video from the iMovie so quick. So right here is the front, because the cutout right here. And then there's the cutout opening here for the USB Type-C. And then this size for the 3.5mm jack. See how I have two other USB Type-C right here. And then a 3.5mm jack. Just gonna open this up. Then just press down until you hear a clip. Yeah, I'm not sure. It doesn't really. Oh wait, there you go. Yeah, gotta press all the way up. There you go. Now here, clip. Yeah, I didn't press all the way up until you hear the clicking sound. Okay. There you go. Now it's in all the way. So there's a ventilation hole right there for your MacBook Pro cooling system. And be sure not to obstruct it. Let's go and then put the top layer on. My bad. It's just I just found the instruction inside the box. Oh, there you go. Yeah, so right, this is a correct way right now. Gonna make sure you hear those clip. So there you go. You see now it's facing the Apple and the SUPCASE. Now you know it's correct. Yeah, it's because there's a special lip right here. So you can lift it up easy. Okay. Now I'm not afraid of bumping into stuff like that. In case it drop. So you don't dent your aluminum unibody case. So here's a fitting. It's fit in there pretty nicely. All right. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. And thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.